The Small Ships Register is available for personal watercraft under 24 meters in length, including sailing boats, motor yachts, and jet skis. To register, you must only be using your vessel for personal use, be a British citizen or resident, and spend at least 185 days a year in the UK. You can use your registration as proof of ownership for insurance, racing, and to sail your vessel internationally. Registration only costs £35 and will last for 5 years. Start your registration by creating an account on the digital UK Ship Register. Remember to follow a link in your email to complete the sign-up process. If there are multiple owners of the vessel, each one will need to create an account before you can begin the registration process. To complete your registration, you'll need your vessel details, including the name, type, hull identification number if you have one, the number of hulls, and length. You'll be asked to provide proof of ownership. For the Small Ships Register, this can be a bill of sale or a build certificate for new vessels, and you'll also need your UK radio licence. You'll be asked to upload a copy of your personal identification, such as a passport or driving licence, into Other Documents in the Supporting Documents section. Make sure you check your details on your application fully before continuing to retrieve your reference number. You must click your reference number link to fully submit your application for review. Once submitted, you will receive your certificate of registration by email within 10 working days. And then you're ready to enjoy the benefits of registration, all for just £35. When you're ready to begin your registration, visit ukshipregister.co.uk. If you have any questions on small ship registrations, please contact a member of our team.